In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Brick Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find, unlock, and I'm gonna give you an overview of the Brick Ability in Ability Wars. So it is a secret ability. It is located behind the stone's pedestal. So as you can see here, you will just have the stone pedestal. However, if you position your camera like this, you can actually see the brick at the bottom. So I'm trying to show you the best I can. And if I click on it, of course I don't have it, but you can still see that it shines red. So it is a hidden ability or a secret ability. It has one of the most expensive unlock requirements. You will need to get 250,000 punches and the ultimate Slayer of the Galaxy, Conqueror of Gods badge. For you to get this badge, you have to make Jinx the cat meow 100 times in one life, and you can do that in a private server. Once you have 250,000 punches and you have the badge, Conqueror of Gods, you can click on the Brick ability. So now I'm going to give you an overview of its abilities. So, like I said, Brick is a secret ability and it allows you to perform brick slams and to increase their size by consuming a brick. So the more bricks you consume, the larger this slam is going to be. You can hit multiple opponents with them. So for your E, it is called Brick Breaker. You will create and slam a large brick wall, smashing it to the ground. This will deal 15 damage and it deals a 3-second stun roughly. So around 3 seconds of stun. This is going to be AoE, which means that it hits multiple people, so it is wonderful if you have a lot of grouped people together fighting and you can hit all of them at once. It scatters the brick around where the attack hit. The bricks will not deal extra damage, however you can still touch on them. They can fling people various distances, depending on how you hit them. For your Q, it is going to be called Clay Muncher. You will pull out and eat a slab brick, making a loud crunch. This does not do anything noticeable, however, it slowly grows the user by 0.5% with each use. So it looks like this. You are literally eating the brick. This will give you a slight brick texture. There is no limit to this growth, so you can become massive by eating these over and over again. Each brick will increase you by 0.5%. The growth also compounds on top of the current growth, so the speed at which you gain size is exponential. After a while, you will be so big that you will not be able to punch other players, so be careful. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Brick Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.